Hi there, it's Phil here. Just a little quick tip for you pressSIGN users using the server monitor. If you see the server monitor and it's got all of your green lights showing, then it means that all of the servers are working. But you might find that just below it, the activation code area just here doesn't show any of your activation codes. I've got a number of activation codes. It says when they expire and it shows how many users are actually using the activation code normally, but you might find that this is not populated. So I've got a couple of quick tips for you as to maybe how to get that to work properly. So the first thing is that the reason that is likely to happen is that your computer's gone through some sort of reset or change or been powered completely off and come back on, and that might change the IP address that the server is working on, and therefore the handshake between the license server back at Bodoni HQ and your computer is kind of broken, and therefore it's not showing you your activation codes. The first thing to do is try to log in using your pressSIGN client and just make sure that your pressSIGN client works. That often will kick this server monitor into working properly. So the first thing is try launching your pressSIGN client, logging in as normal and seeing if that works. If that doesn't work, and it's quite possible that your client then will not work either, then try to reboot the Mac that this or the computer that the server is running on. Now I've got it running on a Mac, and it's probably worth just trying to reboot that. The second thing is try to connect up to the network. Make sure that your network connection to your Mac or your computer, your PC, is properly established. Then the other thing that you could possibly do on here is there is a refresh button. I'm trying to circle it here, where it shows you the version number of pressSIGN that you're running. This little backwards arrow, the rotating arrow, is a refresh. So you can click on that to see if that refreshes the connection for you. If that doesn't work, then you would have to try to just contact us and we will try to reset it for you. But those three things should normally be the thing that works for you. In general, pressSIGN has a 2-week grace period, so quite regularly you don't need to log in online for 2 weeks before pressSIGN will then sort of say, or the license server will say that you need to properly connect up. So you normally get a 2-week grace period, but that may not be the case. So there are some little tips for you, and hopefully that will fix that issue for you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.